My capstone project is an action research project about integrating technology to help personalize instruction. Using the ADDIE model, I've decided to analyze my cycle 1 and 2. In doing so, I have realized that my cycle 1 didn't go well with my teachers because of a lack of motivation, and so my cycle 2 I focused on my students. I find that the learning management system would be a great way to work with my teachers again, because my teachers lack technology training. So my LMS would focus on professional development for them, training the teachers. As I move over to the design side, my goal is that when they learn how to use this technology, they will also be able to use it in their classroom. So part of the content will be them learning the technology that they can use in their classroom, watching some instructional videos that I'll make and put in the library section of Edmodo, discussion boards where they can share their ideas and feelings about the different projects that we'll do. And the discussion boards will also be used for them to ask any kind of questions, because I can answer their questions and so can their peers. The library section will also have helpful links, videos, and it has a section where I can share my Google Docs with them, which is another way that we can collaborate and learn. So as I'm developing my LMS, I'm thinking about ways that my learners can access this information. All of my learners will need to have access to a computer with internet access. Otherwise, they can't get to edmodo.com, which will be my host LMS, and they'll need to create their own Edmodo account. As I move over to my implement, I am focusing on the R2D2 design strategy that we learned about in a previous course. The students will have to read information about the class. Each assignment will have details that they'll have to read. They'll have to watch videos that will show them how to use the necessary technology. And all of these videos will be kept in the library section of Edmodo, where they can access it at any time of the day. The do part of my implement will be them using some technology in their classroom, which they will tell me about either through a video that they upload or through the discussion board. As they reflect on their own assignments and how it's going in their classroom, it will also tell me how my instruction is progressing using Edmodo, my learning management system. The ADDIE model has really helped me decide whether or not this LMS will work great for my teachers. The article I found for this week's Learning Management System peer-reviewed article dealt with using an LMS for professional development. They designed it as a project-based learning management system. Through my previous training in project-based learning, I can see that the learning management system that I have currently designed in Edmodo is going to work just like this article says. It's going to give teachers a way to not just have this one day in-service training that the article talks about. It's going to give them an opportunity to have constant feedback. It's an ongoing process that they can participate in versus the one-time training that most teachers get.